How to change the Game Center avatar in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on Game Center. Now click on continue and then click on done. Now click on your profile and click on your picture and here you can change your avatar like that. Here you can get started and select a face, skin and hairstyle and brows, eyes, head, nose and mouth, and after doing this step then click on done. So this is the way to change game avatar in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.